Agricultural drones for pollination. In recent years, the decline of pollinators such as bees and butterflies has become a growing concern for agricultural productivity and ecosystem health. Pollination is crucial for the reproduction of many crops, and without adequate pollinators, there is a risk of reduced yields and even crop failure. To address this issue, researchers and farmers have been exploring innovative solutions, one of which involves using agricultural drones for pollination. Agricultural drones, also known as UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, have gained popularity in the farming industry for their ability to perform various tasks efficiently and with precision. With advancements in drone technology and artificial intelligence, they can now be equipped to simulate natural pollination processes. How do agricultural drones for pollination work? 1. Mapping and navigation. The first step is to create a detailed map of the farm or orchard to identify the locations of crops and their flowering patterns. Drones are equipped with GPS and advanced sensors, allowing them to navigate autonomously and accurately within the designated areas. 2. AI and image recognition. Agricultural drones are integrated with AI-powered image recognition software. This software can identify flowers that require pollination and assess their readiness for the process. By analyzing the bloom stage and health of flowers, the drones can determine the optimal time for pollination. 3. Pollination mechanism. The drones are designed to carry a payload of pollen collected either from other crops or specially prepared pollen sources. When the drone identifies a flower in need of pollination, it dispenses the pollen onto the flower's reproductive structures, emulating the process that would typically be carried out by insects. 4. Monitoring and data collection. Throughout the pollination process, the drones continue to gather data on the number of flowers pollinated, the overall health of the crop, and any potential issues that may need attention, such as disease or pest infestations. Benefits of agricultural drones for pollination. 1. Addressing pollinator decline. By using agricultural drones for pollination, farmers can supplement the work of declining natural pollinators, ensuring the reproductive success of their crops. 2. Precision and efficiency. Drones can target specific areas with precision, ensuring that each flower receives the appropriate amount of pollen. This targeted approach can lead to increased crop yields. 3. Scalability. Drones can cover large areas quickly, making them suitable for both small and large-scale agricultural operations. 4. Reduced labor dependency. The use of drones for pollination can reduce the labor-intensive process of manual pollination, potentially cutting down on costs and labor requirements. Challenges and considerations. 1. Technology limitations. While drone technology continues to advance, there may still be limitations in terms of payload capacity, battery life, and the ability to mimic the precise pollination actions of certain insect species. 2. Cost. Implementing agricultural drones for pollination may involve significant initial investment, which could be a barrier for some farmers. 3. Environmental impact. Although agricultural drones can help address the decline of natural pollinators, their environmental impact and potential effects on local ecosystems should be carefully considered. In conclusion, agricultural drones for pollination present a promising solution to the challenges posed by declining pollinator populations. As technology continues to improve and costs decrease, these innovative tools have the potential to revolutionize modern agriculture, ensuring the continued productivity of crops and the preservation of ecosystems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends and innovations. Thanks for watching.